need to be sensitive to other people's needs ukuze sizokwazi ukubasiza. Iphuzu lami lokugcina mfethu, baningi abantu abahleze beyikhuluma lento, khona abantu ama-groups wethu uthola ukuthi uhleze fonela abanye abantu kakhulu, and ngokufonela abantu kakhulu abantu bagcine benganaki ukuthi mhlambe lo muntu ufonela abantu ngoba naye unesidingo sokuthi ufuna abantu babe naye, ufuna abantu bakhulume naye. But thina sibuka nje umuntu ohleze fonela abanye abantu kuze kuthiwa usibani une-airtime eningi, kanti awusanakile ukuthi ngenkathi lo muntu ehleze kancane kufonela, now you need to call them back because there's a need kubona. Let us be sensitive to other people's needs. Iyona into ebengifisa ukuyisho namhlanje. Abanye abantu baze bayibulala baxakeka abantu uthi but this guy ubenza motivation, if this guy was empowering the nation. Yes, they were empowering the nation, but uma ucubungula ama motivations wabo noma ama messages abo noma even intshumayelo zasesontweni khamba kuvela ukuthi at times we give people what we need the most. God is love mfethu, ngiyabonga kakhulu.
Thulani Gumede, sizobuya with more. We are